Hello students, welcome back to our channel KCYC. In this video we will continue with your algebra, that is chapter number 3. In this video we will be doing with your exercise 3.5. Hello students, today we will be doing with the exercise 3.5. Now check on the screen the exercise 3.5. In exercise 3.5 you will be having same finding out the value, remainder theorem, factor theorem. Now check everybody with your very first example, that is we need to find out the value. जो last video में किया था उसका continuation है. Find the value of 2x minus 2x cube plus 7 and the values of x are given, that is x is equal to 3, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 0. So you have to find out this, ये और ये, very simple. We will assume over here that is the let p of x1 that is equal to 2x minus 2x cube plus 7. When you are doing with finding out the value या if you are doing with remainder theorem, factor theorem, तो आपको missing terms का टेंशन लेने का ही नहीं. Missing terms सिर्फ division, फिर जो normal division है या synthetic division है, you have to go with your missing terms. It's very simple. For the first one, x is equal to 3. So for the first one, that is we can say that is put x is equal to 3. So we get this is p of 3. Left hand side में डाल दिया, इधर भी 2 into 3. Minus 2 into 3 cube plus 7. This is 2 3s are 6. This is 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 2s are. This is 54 plus 7. You can do this is 6 minus 54, that is 48 minus 48 plus 7. And you get your answer, that is minus 41. Now check with your sum number 2. यहाँ पे ही करते हैं. We'll say that is that put x is equal to minus 1. So you this is p of minus 1. Same here tomorrow this is what a question is over here. So we say 2 into minus 1 minus 2 into minus 1 cube plus 7. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. This is minus 2. This is minus 1 cube is minus 1 plus 7. ये बनेगा बच्चा minus 2 plus 2 plus 7 minus 2 plus 2 गया and this is what you get your answer. Check with your third one. We will say that is put. What are you putting, bacha? X is equal to 0. So we get this is p of 0 is equal to 2 into 0 minus 2 into 0 cube plus 7. 2 zeros are 0. Anything into 0 again 0 plus 7 and you get your answer, that is 7. So this is how you have to do 3.45 ka first one. Even the second is same. So I will do the second also. Check. For each of the polynomial, first one, you have to find p1, p0 and p minus 2 for each cases. See the first one, if you check बच्चा लोग, first में दिया है p of x, it's very easy. p of x is equal to x cube. If you check on the screen, they written p of क्या पूछा है 1, so you can write therefore p of 1. So this is 1 cube. So you say this is p of 1 is equal to 1. I'll do it over here only, so I can accommodate all the questions over here. You got over this one. Next one is p of 0. ये तो इधर आएगा 0 cube and 0 cube is 0. Third one I'll do it over here. p of minus 2. ये बचा p of ये यहाँ पे डाल रहे हो minus 2. This is minus 2 cube and minus 2 cube is equal to minus 8. Finished with your first one. सेकेंड वन देखो p of x is equal to क्या दिया है बच्चा, सॉरी p of y है, बिकॉज द वेरिएबल इज y, सो p of y is equal to y square minus 2y plus 5. सेम p of 1, p of 0, p of minus 2 निकाल लेगा. सो p of 1, so this one will be 1 square minus 2 into 1 plus 5. 1 square is 1 minus 2 plus 5. 1 minus 2 is minus 1 plus 5. So you get p of 1 is 4. I'll do it over here only again. p of 0 इसको कर रहे हो. This one will be 0 square minus 2 into 0 plus 5. 0 square is 0. 2 zeros are 0 plus 5. You get your answer, that is 5. The next you have to find p of minus 2. Practice है पूरा. So this is minus 2 square minus 2 into minus 2 plus 5. So minus 2 square, what do you get bacha? That is 4. Minus of minus is plus 4. Plus 5. 4 plus 4 is 8. That is 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. नाउ चेक विद योर सम नंबर 3. 3 में क्या दिया बच्चा? दे आर गिवन दैट इज p ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू, चेक करो स्क्रीन पे है, दैट इज x रेज टू 4 minus 2x square minus x. I hope everybody you can manage with this. Same p of 1, p of 0, p of minus 2, that is p of 0, 0 raised to 4, 2 into this is over 0 square minus 0. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0. The answer is 0. समझा hero? Then we get this is p of, I will do first p of 0 over here, ठीक है. I will do p of 1. 1 करते हैं, थोड़ा उल्टा हो गया, it's okay. 1 raised to 4 minus 2 into 1 square minus 1. This is 1. 2 ones are 2 minus 1. बचा minus 1 plus 1 गया. This is minus 2. This is your p of 1. This is p of 0. The last one I'll do it over here. That is p of minus 2. Put it over here. This is minus 2 raised to 4. Minus 2 into minus 2 square minus values बराबर डालो. x के जगह पे minus 2. x की जगह पे minus 2, x की जगह पे minus 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 2 2s are minus into minus is plus. This also minus into minus is plus 2. This is 16 minus 8 plus 2. 16 minus 8 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So this is a continuation of the last video what we did. Though this is finding out the values. I hope everybody understood this. Now check with your sum number 3 and sum number 4. Both again are same. अभी आपने कैसा वैल्यूज निकाला. सम नंबर 3 और सम नंबर 4 में आपको वैल्यूज दिया है, तो क्वेश्चन में लाइक m रहेगा या a रहेगा, तो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट a और m क्या है. नाउ चेक. इफ द वैल्यू ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल m क्यूब, स्क्रीन पे देखो, द वैल्यू ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल m क्यूब plus 2m plus a is 12. The value is 12. For m is equal to 2, you find out the value of a. How will you say this is? पे addition. यहाँ पे ऐसा लिखने का. That is the let polynomial variable क्या चल रहा है m ना. That is p of m is equal to m cube plus this is over 2m plus a. तो उन्होंने बोला है that is the value of this polynomial is 12. Then m is equal to, that is since when you can write this way, when m is equal to 2, the value of p of m is how much बचा लो, is equal to कितना है 12. therefore ये ऐसा लिखेगा p of 2 is equal to 12. मतलब ये वैल्यू दिया है. now go with this one again. we say that is since ये p of यहाँ पे लिखो अभी 2, इधर also 2 cube plus 2 into what is that m क्या बचा, this is 2 और a find out करने का. we know p of 2 I have written already. this is 12. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. this is 4. This is plus a. This over 12 is equal to 12 plus a. This comes on my side, therefore this is 12 minus 12, and you get the value of a is 0. This is how we have to do. The next one is again the same. Check with sum number 4. For the polynomial, देखो बच्चा लोग दिया, that is we say this is a let say p of x is equal to m x square minus 2x plus 3. यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट दिया है p of -1 is equal to 7. डायरेक्ट दिया है. यहाँ पे उन्होंने इंग्लिश में लिखा था, वो यह डायरेक्टली. सो वी से दैट इज सिंस p of चेक -1 is equal to m into -1 square 2 into -1 plus 3. How much is this? We know 7. ये m -1 square is 1. Minus into minus is plus 2 plus 3. ये बनेगा 7 is equal to m plus 5 और मेरे साइड में आ गया. So this is your m and m is equal to 2. So this is what you had with sum number 3 and 4 where the values were given और आपको यहाँ पे m निकालना था और यहाँ पे आपको a find out करने का था. I think everybody understood with this third and the fourth sum. Okay, now check with your sum number 5. Sum number 5 टेक्स्ट बुक्स में थोड़ा सा करेक्शन है, स्क्रीन पे प्रॉपरली इट्स रिटन. व्हाट इज दैट? द क्वेश्चन इज डिवाइड द फर्स्ट पॉलिनोमियल बाय द सेकंड एंड फाइंड द रिमाइंडर यूजिंग रिमाइंडर थ्योरम. टेक्स्ट बुक्स में फैक्टर थ्योरम लिखा रहेगा. यू डोंट हैव टू यूज योर फैक्टर थ्योरम, यू हैव टू यूज योर रिमाइंडर थ्योरम. तो आई विल शो यू हाउ टू यूज योर रिमाइंडर थ्योरम.
अगर आपको बोला स्कूल में भाई सिंथेटिक, तो सिंथेटिक ऑलरेडी हमने किया है। सिंथेटिक में लास्ट में एक बॉक्स आता है, वो रिमाइंडर रहता है। बट नाउ वी विल ओनली फाइंड आउट, दैट इज डिवाइड द फर्स्ट बाय द सेकंड एंड फाइंड द रिमाइंडर, दैट इज बाय यूजिंग रिमाइंडर थ्योरम। तो चलो वी विल यूज रिमाइंडर थ्योरम टू फाइंड आउट द रिमाइंडर्स। नाउ चेक विद योर सम नंबर 1। इफ यू चेक विद योर सम नंबर 1, द क्वेश्चन इज दिस वे बच्चा लोग। x स्क्वायर लिखने का स्टाइल देखो, 7x plus 9 and what you get over here, this is x plus 1. Start करूँ? Now if you start, now चलो बच्चों लोग pay attention, everybody over here. How will you state? इसको बोलेगा, that is a let VC P of x is equal to x square minus 7x plus 9. No going with your missing terms, कुछ नहीं करने का. Now we can say, since you are divising, now what is your divisor same? Your divisor is, what is that बच्चा? X plus 1. Therefore we can say यहाँ पे plus 1 था बच्चा, plus 1 का उल्टा क्या आता है? What is the opposite of plus 1? That is minus 1. So we will take over here, therefore we'll take that is x is equal to क्या लेने का बच्चा? That is minus 1. फिर यहाँ पे लिखने का that is by remainder theorem. What is that over here? By remainder theorem. Then you write over here your remainder is equal to बच्चा लोग same ये इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट करने का p of minus 1 इधर आ गया minus 1 square 7 into minus 1 plus 9 हो गया। तो this is over here minus 1 square is 1 minus of minus is 7 plus 9 and finish you get your remainder is 9 plus 1 plus 7 is 17 and this is how you have to do with रिमाइंडर थ्योरम। मतलब रिमाइंडर थ्योरम से डायरेक्टली आपको रिमाइंडर आता है, आपको क्वोशंट का कोई जरूरत नहीं, यू नॉट गेट क्वोशंट हुआ। या सिंथेटिक डिवीजन में आपको क्वोशंट भी आता है, रिमाइंडर भी आता है। नाउ चेक विद योर सम नंबर 2। सम नंबर 2 में बच्चा लोग चेक करो, तो यू गॉट ओवर दिस इज 2x क्यूब माइनस यू गेट ओवर दिस इज 2x स्क्वायर प्लस ax minus a and the divisor over here is x minus a. Same. We'll assume over here that is that p of x is equal to 2x cube minus 2x square plus ax minus a. No missing terms. We say that since your divisor, what is the divisor is, what is that x minus a. Therefore you can say that is put x is equal to minus a है ना, तो a and then we write over here by remainder theorem. What do you get over here by remainder theorem? Right, bachalo, you are getting the remainder. So you write remainder is equal to p of a, and now put your values 2. This is a cube minus 2. This is a square. This is a into. समझ रहे बच्चे? ये स्टेप वापस यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ मैं, और x है जहाँ पे वहाँ पे a लिख रहा हूँ. That is x cube. That becomes a cube. X square. That is a square. X is a. And your remainder is 2, this is a cube minus 2a square. A into a is a square minus a. You can write this is 2a cube minus 2a square plus a square is minus a square minus a. बस हो गया, इतना ही करना है बच्चा. You can't add this or subtract this, and this is what you get here, remainder. Now check with your last one. I will do it over here, the last, the third one. चेक what you get over here, डायरेक्टली स्टार्ट करता हूँ. स्क्रीन पे क्वेश्चन है, we say p of x is equal to that is 54m cube plus 18m square minus 27m plus 5. This is what a question is. And your divisor, बच्चा लोग, what is your divisor is m minus 3. What is your divisor is m minus 3. Therefore you can put that is your m is equal to minus 3 का उल्टा क्या आ जाता है, that is plus 3. Now check everybody over here. Therefore you say your remainder is equal to p of यहाँ पे 3. This is 54 into this one will be क्या आ जाएगा बच्चा, this is 3 cube plus 18 into 3 square minus 27 into 3 plus 5. This is 54 into 27. This is 18 into 9. This is 27 into 3 plus 5. आई होप एवरीबडी कैन डू दिस कैलकुलेशन. ये तो आप लोग कर सकता है. एंड whatever you will get, suppose you get your answer that is 1544. Please do the calculation on your own, and this is what you get the remainder for sum number 3. So this is how you have to do remainder theorem. Same synthetic के जैसे रहते हैं, लेकिन synthetic में missing terms रहते हैं. यहाँ पे missing terms नहीं जाने का. Same opposite synthetic में भी ऐसा x plus 1 है तो हम लोग take the opposite लेके करते हैं. यहाँ पे also the same है, x plus 1 है इसलिए minus 1, x minus a है इसलिए a, m minus 3 है इसीलिए what you take over here that is 3, and what we get over here that is your remainder. ये है तुम्हारा remainder, ये है तुम्हारा remainder. Same अगर आपने synthetic division से करेगा then also you'll get the same remainder. So this is your remainder theorem. Now check everybody with your sum number 6. जैसा पहला हमने किया था ना, वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने का था, फिर बाद में वैल्यू दिया था. सेम थिंग ओवर हियर. विद दिस वन क्या बच्चा लोग, आपको रिमाइंडर ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है तो उसमें m वी हैव टू फाइंड m a, दैट इज व्हाट वी नीड टू फाइंड. तो चेक विद द सम नंबर 6. इफ यू कैन सी द सम नंबर 6, we'll say that is a let p of y, that is your question, that is y cube minus 5y square plus 7y plus what you get over here m. They have given over here the remainder already they have given. The remainder is equal to 50. Divisor they said बच्चा divisor is same. क्या बच्चा? y plus 2. So we say that it says divisor is y plus 2. So we will put y is equal to क्या लिखेगा बच्चा? minus 2 same. जैसा पहला किया वैसा ही करने का. We say by remainder theorem. तो by remainder theorem you can write over here the remainder. क्या लिख रहे हो बच्चा लोग यहाँ पे? p of minus 2, ये आएगा minus 2 cube, this is 5 into minus 2 square, 7 into minus 2, and this is plus n. Remainder we know already, this is 50. ये बनेगा, no need of writing this बच्चा लोग, कोई जरूरत नहीं है because this and this is same. तो we wrote remainder का value over here. This is minus 8, this is 5, this is 2, 2 is minus 2 will be 4, minus 14 plus n. So this is over here 50, this is minus 8, minus 20, minus 14 plus m. All these are minus, minus, minus. So this and this will be 20, minus 20, minus 14 is minus 34. Minus 34, and if you add bacha, this will become your minus 42 plus m. This comes on my side, plus 42 is m, and हो गया बच्चा, that is m is equal to 92, and this is how you have to do your sum number 6. Now बच्चा लोग, now we got 3 sums over here, sum number 7, 8, 9, as 10, 11, 12, 13, that is deleted from your syllabus. 7, 8, 9 में ना फैक्टर थ्योरम, रिमाइंडर थ्योरम लगभग सेम ही है, सेम. रिमाइंडर थ्योरम में क्या रहता है बच्चा, यू कैन गेट रिमाइंडर एनीथिंग, दैट इज 2, 7, 5, कुछ भी आ सकता है. फैक्टर बोलेगा तो क्या, इफ द रिमाइंडर इज 0, अगेन आई रिपीट, इफ द रिमाइंडर इज 0 देन वी से इट इज अ फैक्टर. बस वही आपको चेक करने का है कि रिमाइंडर 0 आता है या नहीं आता है. अगर रिमाइंडर 0 आता है तो यू शुड से इट इज अ फैक्टर, दैट इज लिखने का रहता है बाय फैक्टर थ्योरम इट इज अ फैक्टर. अगर रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आता है तो बोलने का बाय फैक्टर थ्योरम इट इज नॉट अ फैक्टर. तो एवरीबॉडी चलो लेट्स डू विद 7, 8 and 9. चेक दिस सम नंबर 7. यूज फैक्टर थ्योरम टू डिटरमाइन वेदर x plus 3 is a factor. So we will say that is a let p of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. तो फैक्टर थ्योरम यूज करके बोलेगा बच्चा कि whether it is a factor or not. What is your divisor? वही सेम है. चेक करो बच्चों, सम नंबर कैसा कर रहे हैं हम लोग, 7 में स्क्रीन पे है. What is your divisor? Your divisor is x plus 3. तो अगर x plus 3 है ना तो इसका ऑपोजिट डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे स्टार्ट करने का. Therefore p of इसका ऑपोजिट क्या होगा, सेम minus 3. बराबर है ना. सेम सिंथेटिक डिवीजन को भी ऑपोजिट लेते हैं, रिमाइंडर थ्योरम को भी ऑपोजिट लेते हैं, और फैक्टर थ्योरम को भी सेम. So you get this is minus 3 square. This is 2 into minus 3 minus 3. This is minus 27. This is minus 6 minus 3. कितना आ गया बच्चा? This is 27, 30 and this is 36. So remainder क्या आ गया बच्चा लोग आपको यहाँ पे? If you check चेक करो कोई साइन वाइन में मिस्टेक्स तो नहीं किया, या यहाँ पे बच्चा, सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल। -3 स्क्वायर बच्चा, दिस इज व्हाट यू गेट ओवर, दिस इज +9, यू आर गेटिंग 0। तो आपको क्या आ गया बच्चा, 0 आ गया ना, तो यहाँ पे लिखने का ऐसा, देयरफॉर पे अटेंशन, वी से बाय फैक्टर थ्योरम what you wrote, that is x plus 3, we should say is a factor of polynomial of x. So this is how you have to do the sum. Now check with your sum number 8. तो be careful, check करो, मैंने यहाँ पे -3 स्क्वायर था, I took 3 cube, but again I took it as square, 0 आ गया रिमाइंडर, तो it is a factor, that is a factor, so you have to write over here by factor theorem, that is x plus 3 is a factor. Now check the next again the same way. क्या है next में बच्चा लोग, या check everybody will assume over here that is a let. अभी क्या बोला है चेक करो, 8 में थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है। If x minus 2 is a factor of that polynomial x cube minus mx square, then find the value of m. अभी वापस उल्टा है, अभी फैक्टर ढूंढने का नहीं, उन्होंने बोला ऑलरेडी फैक्टर है, आप लोग m का वैल्यू बोलो, तो विल गो विद योर सेम, दैट इज लाइक p of बच्चा x is equal to x cube minus mx square plus 10x minus 20. This is what they are given. So if x minus 2 is a factor बोला हुआ है, ठीक है, that is we write that is since x minus 2 is क्या लिखने का बच्चा, factor of this polynomial of x, and therefore इसका उल्टा क्या होता है बच्चा, 2 होता है ना, therefore p of 2 is equal to 0, मतलब it is a factor बोला है बच्चा, therefore p of 2 is what is that, 0. so you can say over here again, यहाँ पे बच्चा p of x है ना, वहाँ पे वैल्यू डाल दो, you will get the answer. so you say this is p of 2 is equal to 2 cube minus m into 2 square plus 10 into 2 minus 20. This is where p of 2, 2 is of 4, 4 is 8, this is 4m plus 20 minus 20, you can cancel this. यहाँ पे लिखा है p of 2, what is that बच्चा, p of 2 is how much, 0. so you can say well, therefore this is 8 minus 4m is equal to 0. I'll put this on the other side, 8 is equal to 4m, and finished, you get the value of m, that is equal to क्या आ गया बच्चा, that is equal to 2. Now check everybody, we'll do with your last sum, it's very easy, same है, you can do, but चलो मैं करता हूँ कि फैक्टर है या नहीं है वो फाइंड आउट करने का। by using factor theorem in the following example, determine whether q of x is a factor of p of x or not. it's very simple, वही factor theorem से अगर रिमाइंडर 0 आ गया तो फैक्टर, अदरवाइज नॉट अ फैक्टर। check, I'll put it over here. now this is what we get, your sum number 9 का first, p of x is equal to x cube minus x square minus x minus 1, q of x is equal to x minus 1. ये सेम जो है यहाँ पे किया हुआ है मैंने। so we say that since your divisor is what is that बच्चा, x minus 1, देखो यहाँ पे भी लिखा है, therefore what do you take, यहाँ पे क्या लिखेगा, therefore p of 1, चलो रिप्लेस करो, 1 cube minus 1 square minus 1 minus 1, this is 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 1, okay check everybody, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, what do you get over here, minus 2, that is क्या बोलेगा बच्चा लोग, क्या आ गया, minus 2 आ गया, रिमाइंडर आ गया आपको 0 नहीं ना, therefore we can say that is since यहाँ पे लिखो, ऐसा लिखो, p of 1 is not equal to 0, therefore we can say over here by factor theorem, ठीक है। क्या पूछा है देखो वहाँ पे स्क्रीन पे देखो क्या लिखा है, determine whether q of x is a factor, therefore by factor theorem q of x is not a factor of, what you can say over here, this is p of x. now check with your last sum of this video and the last sum of this exercise, what do you get over here, that is p of x is equal to 2x cube minus x square minus 45, q of x is equal to x minus 3. check, ये तुम्हारा डिवाइजर है, दैट इज सिंस लिख लो वापस और एक बार, द डिवाइजर इज x minus 3, therefore we can say क्या आएगा, p of minus 3 है ना, तो 3 2 into 3 cube minus 3 square minus 45. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. This is 9 minus 45. This is what you get, bacha, 54 minus 9 minus 45, and this is 54 minus 9 is 45. 45 minus 45 is 0, and therefore यहाँ पे बोलेगा that is 0 आ गया ना बच्चा. So यहाँ ये वो लिखने का by factor theorem you can say q of x is a factor of p of x. So I hope everybody understood with the exercise 3.5. तो 3.5 में बच्चा लोग हमने क्या क्या किया, वैल्यू वापस फाइंड आउट किया. We did with remainder theorem and we did with factor
theorem. So we finished with your video over here. So in the next video we will be doing with your exercise 3.6. Till then, bachcha log, bye bye, tata, take care.